Hey guys, my name's Chris, and this is a new YouTube channel off of another channel that was deleted. And we are, going to focus on a lot of things Moments related, but, I don't really have a true direction for the channel, um, except for that my life kind of focuses around the operations of a gym or fitness studio. Typically, it's like a boutique fitness studio. And that's what we're going to work on. And we're going to use a platform called Momence because they've very generously given me, full access to everything except for the AI agent. And I've set up many, configurations for different gyms and studios. And so, you know, I will talk about the things that I've learned over that process. What sets Moments apart from something like MindBody is like it's really friendly on the eyes for sure. It looks great. And in most cases, it's actually really easy to use. But it's also very robust, which is part of the reason why some things can be kind of complicated. So if you don't know about Moments at all, let me know and I'll make a video kind of walking through some of the benefits of it. But for now, we're just going to focus on a few tips and tricks and things that we can do within the platform, especially regarding things like taking advantage of, let's say, your to-do list. All of these things, if they're monitored correctly, can actually be really useful, especially for scripting. And it's all reliant on automations, typically. Of course, you can like manually override that. We'll also go a lot over appointment boards, which is really kind of complex. Like if you don't know what you're doing at all and you haven't had somebody walk you through it. So I know for sure that we'll cover that on this channel. Reporting, and then also sequences. So that's obviously a big topic because we want to leverage the automations that we have. And in most cases, it's very powerful, especially if you mix it up with tagging and staff tasks, it can really make your life a lot easier. We'll also go through the basics of all the setups and things that you need to consider, in regards to like availability, for example. And then we'll also go through all of the apps that are available, and maybe we'll go into some of the developer stuff here too. So that could be really useful for us. All right. So let me know in the comments if you need any, assistance on a specific use case, and I'll try to work it out and make a video for you guys. All right. Thanks again.